Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. My name is Joanne, and I'm one of the Family and Community Health County Extension Agents for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. Walk Across Texas is an 8-week program to help people with different ages and abilities to achieve and maintain an active lifestyle. In this video, I will teach you how to line dance the Cupid Shuffle. I have modified the dance to make it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone regardless of their skill levels or experience with dizziness. Here you go, enjoy! So what we're going to do is take 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left, kick 4 times and march it out for 8. Let me show you. Alright, we're going to go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to be kicking for 4 times and marching it out really fast for 8. So here you go. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it all together. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go.